How to send photo on Bumble. Want to share photos with your Bumble matches? Let's see how to do it in safely and easily. Open Bumble app and go to the chat screen by tapping the Bumble icon at bottom. See the match you want to send a photo to. Inside the chat, tap the camera icon plus icon near the message box. Choose a photo from your gallery. Choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one from your camera. Once selected, tap Send and your match will receive the photo instantly. Always make sure the photo is appropriate and safe, and avoid sharing personal or sensitive images until you really trust your match. And that's it. You can now share photos and make your conversation more fun and professional. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out more Bumble tutorials. Catch you in the next one.